Oh, y'all know how to make Chinese fried chicken with fried rice? We can make that. After this, you're not going back to the Chinese store no more. Let's save you some money. Get some soy sauce or some chicken, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. That's all you really need. Then we're going to mix that thing in. Mix that thing with an egg. Rub everything in real well like this right here. Oh, wait, y'all see it? Yeah. After we mix everything in, we're going to throw some cornstarch on that thing. Oh, wait. Then we just going to rub it in real good. Real good. And once everything is done, you want to just set it to the side. It should look something like this right here. See that? Put that thing to the side to marinate. Then we're going to work on that fried rice. Chop garlic, chop ginger, a little sesame oil. Then we're going to hit it with some butter and get that day-old rice and some green scallions, baby. Ooh, wee. Get them carrots and them onions in there. Yeah, go ahead and crack a few eggs. And yeah, I see the eggshell. I'm going to get it. Cracked about 3 eggs. And then took that eggshell, as y'all see. Then I scrambled the eggs right in the pot with everything. Y'all see it right there. Ooh-wee. I like eggs in my fried rice. Let me know if y'all do in the comments. Now, you see what I'm doing right here? I'm just scraping all that extra off of the pot. Get that day-old white rice, baby. Y'all see that? You can add some more butter right here if you need to. But then you're going to hit it with your little mix. Just hit it with some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Or you could do soy sauce and hoisin. But that's it, really. You don't really need too much. I got the low sodium one. I ain't trying to die early. But we're going to fry these birds down nice and crispy. Now, I'm doing quarter legs, right? So, depending on how big your chicken is, that's how long you're going to fry it for. These right here, I believe I did for about 12 to 13 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Because these was the halal quarter legs. These wasn't them big BBL joints. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that right there? Oh, wait. So, yeah. If you got them big joints with the BBLs, it's going to probably take about 15, 20 minutes, depending on the size. Y'all see how brown it? Oh, my goodness. Goodness gracious. Y'all see it. Now, y'all know how to make Chinese fried chicken with fried rice. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. And I'm going to see you on the next one. For the recipe, hit the link in the bio. I'm out.